In the heart of the world's longest mountain range, legends of ancient Peruvian civilizations still drift in the wind. Whispers of the Incan god Viracocha, whose first creation was a dark world filled with giants. When his creations disappointed him, Viracocha turned them to stone and made man to take their place. Some breathe tragic tales of separated lovers, whose tears form the mountain's streams and rivers. While the Andes were sacred to ancient civilizations, they are no less important to the people of Peru and worldwide today. With the Amazon on one side and a coastal desert on the other, the Peruvian Andes are a source of staggering diversity and provide refuge for plants and animals found nowhere else. The mountain peaks hold 70% of the world's tropical glaciers, providing water to Peru's desert coast, where most Peruvians live. Andean rivers generate 60% of Peru's electricity. The mountains also are a rich source of jobs. But the Andes are changing fast. Mining operations scar the landscape and taint Peru's water, while climate change shrinks its glaciers. Will we fight to protect these mountains, their wildlife, and the people whose future depends on them?